This is a mechanical power assisted unit. It's mechanical because it's moved by the pulley with the bell connected with the crankshaft, and immediately the crankshaft is spinning, the pump produces high pressure. This is the reservoir. You added the oil here, you remember? You added the oil here, and the body of valves is located in front of this. This is similar to this one. This is similar to this one. Hydraulic mechanic pump. Very similar. And this is the reservoir where the oil is located. Yeah, when the pump is spinning, you send hydraulic fluid with high pressure in the system. Yes, my friend. If you don't have power assisted unit like this, the pressure of the system is 35 psi. When you introduce the power assisted unit, the pressure increase until 60-70 psi, depending on the manufacturer. Yes, you produce extra power on the fluid, and of course, right now, the movement of the fluid is at high speed, with high pressure, more pressure, and right now, the system is operated easily. This is the situation that you have in your car. For that reason, when you turn on the engine, the power steering system is soft. When you turn off the engine, the power steering system is too hard. That's okay? All right? And this is the system, and this is the mechanical power assisted unit. Okay, in your boat, you can install pumps like this on the engine, but the hand is located far from the engine. In your boat, the hand is located. Look at this. This is the hand. This is the hand, and this is the engine. Look at the separation. It's 20 feet, 25 feet, 50 feet, depending on the boat. It's too much distance. For that reason, the recommendation is install other power assisted unit, not mechanical, electrical.